that the first batch of 5 Rafale fighter jets will be formally inducted into the Indian Air Force at 10 in the morning today. This will happen at the Ambala Air Base in Haryana. The Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, his French counterpart Florence Parly, Chief of Defence Staff, the CDS, General Bipin Rawat, Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhaduria and Defence Secretary will attend this ceremony. Now, 5 Rafales have entered the service and 4 more are set to arrive next month. India has signed a rupees 59,000 crore deal for 36 Rafale fighters with France. This Ambala program that is supposed to be held today includes a ceremonial unveiling of the Rafale aircraft, a traditional Sarva Dharma Puja and also an air display. This air display by the Rafale and Tejas aircraft will also be followed by the air display by the Sarang helicopter aerobatic team. The Indian Air Force has tweeted and said Indian Air Force will formally induct the Rafale aircraft in the 17th Squadron Golden Arrows today at Air Force Station, Ambala. They also said that new bird in the arsenal of IAF. Now, this is extremely important. The IAF will get some extra capabilities after the Rafales are in active service. It is expected that eventually 36 aircrafts will be in active service. Some of them will be part of the squadron that will keep an eye on Pakistan border and some on that squadron that will keep an eye on the Chinese border. So very importantly, this day is also important because it seems that the tensions have been escalating at the border with China, and there is also talk happening between the 2 foreign ministers of the country today at Moscow, where they are attending the Shanghai Cooperation Organization meet of the foreign affairs ministers of different countries. In the sidelines, they will be meeting and talking about the tension that has been rising. But in the middle of all this, Indian Army, Indian Air Force, they are upping their strength, and this is an example of it as the Rafale jet is inducted formally into service. Now, for more on this, let's go across to Vishnu Som, who's there at Ambala Air Force Base. Vishnu, what is the plan for today?
Well, there's a lot which is planned actually today. There's going to be a Rafale display. Today, of course, is the formal induction of the Rafale aircraft. So it all starts over here. Let me see now. 10:15, the Defence Minister arrives. 10:26, there'll be a small puja. This is as per tradition. Then there'll be a Sukhoi 30, a Jaguar, and a Rafale fly past. There'll be a solo Rafale fly past, a display by the Tejas aircraft as well. There'll be a water cannon salute to the Rafale. All this is going to happen from 10:52 onwards. Then a speech by the Air Chief, the French Defence Minister, and our Defence Minister. So it's a lot which is planned. It should be fun to see. But for the Indian Air Force, it's a huge day because the process of acquiring the Rafale aircraft has been so protracted. It's an incredibly expensive deal, 59,000 crore rupees for 36 jets. The Air Force will certainly be hoping that we get more Rafale jets in the future. But the induction of this aircraft is a quantum leap in the capability of the Indian Air Force. And I think that's the point that the Indian Air Force is really looking at. Why? Because in simple terms, it can hit targets in the air and on the ground at greater ranges with greater accuracy than any other platform that the Indian Air Force has. Many would actually say that among fighter aircraft of this size in the world, this is the world's most advanced. And it is without any doubt one of the most advanced fighters across any spectrum anywhere in the world. And for the IAF looking to enhance both its squadron strength in terms of its numbers and its capability, this platform actually gives it a huge capability. So 5 jets have already arrived a few weeks back. These are being formally inducted. 4 more come in next month. And then the process of getting more Rafale jets continues till next year.